So a couple years back, solo ads was the hottest traffic technique out there on the marketplace. And now here recently, a lot of the top marketers will tell you that solo ads are dead and solo ads, you can't make any money with it. Well, I'm here to debunk that myth today, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can still profit with solo ads and make money with this traffic technique. So if this is your first time to my channel, my name is John McNeil from johnmcneil.com. And if you'd like to make money with affiliate marketing and doing internet marketing from home, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and click that little bell icon so that you're notified when I release any new videos. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, how to profit with solo ads. I think you're going to like this, guys. Let's go ahead and get started right now. What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com. And like I said, we're going to be jumping right into this video on how to make money with solo ads, guys, because I'm going to tell you solo ads are not dead, and I'm going to show you how you can actually still profit with solo ads by giving you a couple tips and techniques that's going to help you make your campaigns more profitable. So let's go ahead and get started. So for those that are not familiar with a solo ad is, I'm just going to go ahead and describe that really quick. So basically, you have an offer, right? You're going to have a sales funnel or some sort of offer that you're promoting. And in this offer, you'll probably have your squeeze page, your one-time offer, and your thank you page, right? So you want to get some traffic to this, right? You want to get some traffic to your website because you want to build your list and you want to make some money. So what you're going to do is you're going to go out, and there's various places and various people that sell solo ads. I mean, there's probably hundreds of thousands, there's probably thousands and thousands or tens of thousands of people that sell solo ads, but you're going to go out and you're going to find somebody that has, you know, a big email list, right? So they're going to have the email list. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to pay this person to send your offer to their list, right? So that way, if you don't have a list or you're trying to get traffic to your offer, you can pay somebody else that's within your same niche, and they can send to their list because they have a lot of people that are interested in your offer, right? So basically what you're going to be doing is you pay for clicks. So typically solo ad range on the low end of probably, I would say, 35 cents a click, all the way to the high end of maybe even $2 a click, right? And that's going to vary, you know, depending upon like the solo ad vendor. It's going to depend on if you're getting like tier 1 traffic, et cetera, et cetera. But this is kind of like the range that you'd be spending in terms of getting solo traffic. So basically what's been happening, I would say, over the last couple of years is people haven't really been profiting from solo ads like they used to. Like they would have an offer, they would send, you know, this vendor would send that email, and they would be able to get leads and sales, right? And this was the good old days because you would get a ton of leads and you'd get some sales on your one-time offer. Now it seems like you buy a solo ad and you're getting leads, but you're not really getting sales anymore. And there's a couple reasons for that, but what I'm going to try to do in this video is I'm going to try to mitigate your risk so that you can get as many targeted leads as possible, and hopefully you'll get as many sales as possible with what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. Now, what solo ad vendors typically do when they send email to their list is they'll send what I like to call like a blind email to their list, and it's not very targeted. And I'm going to show you guys an example of that right now. Let's go ahead and jump over. So I just created these two little quick emails for you guys just to kind of show you this example. So in this first email, I have a subject line and I have and some copy here. And this is what I would call like the blind copy. So most solo ad vendors, they know what's going to get the clicks. So they're going to try to send an email that's going to get the clicks as fast as possible so that they can finish your order and, collect your money, or they'll probably already collected your money because you pay in advance. But they're just trying to get your order processed so they can move on to the next order, right? So this particular subject line doesn't really tell me what the offer is about. So the subject line is $214 in 24 hours. And then the copy goes like this: if you want a proven system for making $214 per day, then this email will show you how. See the system here. And then somebody would click on this link to see the system. The problem is with this is cool. I mean, I want to make $214 in 24 hours. That sounds cool. But if I click on this link and it takes me to a one-time offer about blogging, or about SEO, or about, let's say, banner advertising, something that I'm not interested in, right? So the solo ad vendor is just trying to get the clicks, right? You want to get the most targeted people to your capture page, and you want those people to opt in so they can see their offer, so you can see that your offer, so that they could potentially purchase your one-time offer. But if I see 214 in 24 hours, I click on the system and it's about blogging, or it's about banner advertising, something that I'm not interested in, something that I just don't want to do, then I'm not going to buy the product, right? And that's what happens, like you're basically gambling to just hope that maybe this person likes what you're offering. But if you're going to be spending money on clicks, you just need to be upfront on what you're trying to sell, or what the offer is actually about, or what the free giveaway is about, so that you know that you're getting targeted people coming through your funnel. So a better way to do it is to actually find solo ad vendors that will actually send your own copy, right? Because if they send your own copy, you can basically target the people that are interested in exactly what you're trying to sell, right? So in this email, the subject line reads, Facebook loopholes earns 200 plus per day. So already, if I'm on someone's list and I get this email, then I already know that this is about Facebook marketing. It's some sort of Facebook marketing loophole that earned, $200 per day. And then the copy reads, you might have taken a Facebook course or two, but you never have seen this loophole that generates $200 per day. Click here, see here, right? So if I'm on someone's list and I see this title, if I'm interested in doing Facebook, if I've done, Facebook ads before and I want to improve, like how to generate money with Facebook, then I'm going to be more apt to go ahead and click this link and opt in and see what the free giveaway is and see what the one-time offer is. I'm going to be more engaged in this email versus this blind email, because I don't even know what's on the other side of this click, right? But I know what's on the other side of this click. Now, for the solo ad vendor's perspective, it's going to take them longer to deliver these clicks, because when they're sending this out to their list, if you're not even interested in Facebook, you're probably not even going to click they're probably going to open the email, or not even open the email, but they're definitely not going to click. And even if they click, they're definitely not going to opt in, because they're like, I don't want to learn how to do Facebook ads anyways. So why bother? So it's going to take the solo ad longer to probably deliver the clicks. But the good thing about this, guys, is the people that actually click the link and opt in are your targeted, super targeted people, because they already know it's about Facebook and they want to learn the Facebook loophole. That's how you target your campaigns with solo ads, guys. That's how you get the maximum leads to come through your funnel. And that's how you start profiting with your one-time offers, not with the blind copy stuff. You can do this when you have built your list. So like as you're building your list and you want to send, blind emails to your list because you just want to send it out and see what the people will buy and what they won't buy. You can do that once you built your list, because you're not paying for this email. Once you built your list, all you're doing is, creating an email in your autoresponder and sending it out, and that's free. But when you're paying for a solo ad, you need to be as specific as possible. If your offer is about membership sites, say, this is how you make $50 a day with membership sites. This is how you make $100 a month with blog commenting. Whatever it is, be super specific with what your offer is about, so that the people that actually click and opt in are already interested in what you have to offer. Now, how do you find people that would actually send out your actual subject lines? Now, there's people on Skype, there's people on Facebook, there's groups. You just have to ask them. You just have to say, hey, I want to be able to send my own copy, my own email, my own subject line. I want to be able to send it. And I would actually get on that marketer's list to ensure that they actually send your exact, subject line and copy, so that that they actually did it. The other website I was going to show you guys is... There's a website called udemy.com, and this site allows you to actually put in your ad messages too. So you can actually put in your own subject line and your own copy and save it in here. So when you go out and find solo ad sellers, your copy is already there. You pay for the solo ad, and you can just they'll have your actual message that you actually can just choose to send, right? But I did want to show you guys something really quick here. This is udemy.com, and what I wanted to show you is how you would go about finding a good solo ad provider in this particular site, because a lot of people are, they're just going to go through here, they're going to be reading, and they're like, oh, let me try to find me a quick solo ad provider. Oh, this looks good, they got a special, I'll just go buy it. That's not what you want to do, guys. What you want to do is you want to do a little bit of sorting up front. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go over here to the top right hand corner where it says rating. So this is the minimum number of positive ratings that the seller must have. So that right now is at 10 plus. What we want to do is we want to go to people that have lots of ratings. So we're going to go up to like 200 plus ratings. So as you can see, like something changed here. So a lot of people have dropped off. And then you're going to go over here to the next button, and this shows you the amount of sellers. It shows you the amount of sales that these sellers have gotten for other people that have purchased their solo ads. So I want to go down and I want to say, maybe I want to find people that have made sales for at least 20% of the people that have purchased solo ads from them. So then it kind of whittles it down to 3, right? And then I can say, okay, this is 35 cents. So maybe I can try to go up to see, let's go to, I'm looking for solo ad providers that will sell me from 35 cents to, let's say, 60 cents a click. And then that kind of opens it back up. So now, and I also want to, okay, this is just basically your clicks, how many visitors you want. So say if you wanted to send 200 visitors, and then you got your list, and then say, yeah, I want to be able to send within the next 7 days. That's good. So now you have a good list of people that have had over 200 plus positive ratings. 20% of the people that have purchased solo ads from them have made actual sales. So like they have some good responsive leads on their list. And then you'll be paying somewhere between 35 to 60 cents a click. And they can send 200 clicks, no problem, within 7 days. So now you can go through here and you can read through their profiles, and then you could go through and pick one of these solo ad vendors and send your email to. Right? So that's how I do it, guys. So it's the combination of finding top quality solo ad vendors, and then in conjunction with sending your actual email copy And remember that when you're paying for solo ads, you want to be as open and as honest as possible about your offer, so that only the people that are interested in what you're doing are going to click that link and opt into your page. That's what's going to increase your conversion rate on your opt-in page, and that's what's going to actually make you sales, guys. So you have to do it this new way. Don't do it the old way, because you're not going to make any money. It's just a different ball game out there. So this is the way you profit with solo ads. So I hope that helped, guys. So again, that's all I have for this video. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure that you check the description for any other resources below that I may give you. I also have a free guide in there. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, I have a guide that shows you how to get started from A to Z. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. This is your boy John McNeil from JohnMcNeil.com. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.